Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Today we are going to look into how you can send BNB from your Trust wallet to Binance in case you want to sell your BNB. Let's get into it. So first you go to the Binance app and then you go to wallet. And then on wallet you see there is a deposit button over there. So you click on deposit. And when you click on deposit, you find the BNB, search for BNB, and you click on BNB, then you select which network. We are going to use the BP20 network, so you click on BP20 and then you copy the address you see. This is your BNB address on Binance, and then you go to your Trust wallet and then you go to BNB, click on BNB, and then you go to send, and then you paste the contract. You click on BNB, you go to send on BNB, you are sending it to Binance, and then you click on paste. The address you copied will be pasted there, and then the amount. I'm sending everything to max, and then after that you click on confirm. Check if everything is okay. You click on confirm, and then it's processing. Right, you wait for a few minutes. So the BNB is processing. So you go back. Yeah, this is the message that I've gotten. A deposit of 0.9. And I'm going to Binance app to check and see if my deposit has arrived. So you wait, and you go to your wallet, and you refresh, just to see if your BNB has arrived. So you can go to deposit and then you check. Yeah, this is processing, right? Sometimes it take a few minutes, 1 minute to 4 minutes. Your BNB has to be on your wallet. So you just wait, and then you're waiting for the BNB you sent from your Trust wallet to reflect on your Binance wallet. So this is what we are waiting for. Yes, our BNB has arrived. So you can go to the total balance. You can see that there is a total of 56 USD, which is 0.9 BNB. So this is a very simple process. If you're a beginner, you have to know how to do